Hey guys, today we are installing Pop! OS 24.04 Cosmic Alpha 7. So we're going to go ahead and select the boot device. This is the second partition on our USB boot disk. And we're going to go ahead and select the non-NVIDIA version of the ISO because my NVIDIA card is really old and won't work with the NVIDIA edition. So we're going to boot up in here. Now this is the alpha version of Pop! OS and it has the new Cosmic desktop, the Rust-based desktop. So here we go. We're going to select English. And then we're going to go ahead and select the United States and English US for the keyboard layout and default right here. Just going to continue on. We're going to say clean install, wipe out everything that was on here before. I previously installed this, so I'm just going to wipe it out, do a full clean install, wipe out everything that was there. Select the SSD I want to install it on, and I'm going to pick out a name. I'm just going to say user1 because I'm not being too creative, just a generic name that I like to use as a username. Now I'm going to go ahead and enter in a pretty good password. Not the best, but not a bad password either. And I'm going to go ahead and go next. And we're going to select encryption just because it's good to show you the feature. And I basically sped this part of the video up where it's just extracting files and copying them over and, setting up the configuration, stuff like that. So sped that up. There we go. We're done. Click the restart device button. Here we are booting up again. Enter our password to unencrypt the disk so we can actually boot up. Here we go. Boot up is finishing. And there we go. There's our login screen. Let's log into our newly installed system. And here we go. Here's that new Rust-based Cosmic desktop. And here's our terminal. We're going to go ahead and I'm actually going to install NeoFetch. You see it's not installed by default. So we're going to go ahead and just install it just because I kind of wanted to show you that screen. And while this installs, I just wanted to mention that our next video, the next video published right after this video on this channel, we're going to do the full review of this new alpha version of Cosmic OS. I'm spending like over an hour reviewing it and showing you all the features and all the exciting stuff that, everybody's excited for and kind of anticipating. So if you want to see that full review, it's coming up after this video, either the same day or the next day after. So definitely make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell icon so you get updates when we come out with new videos. But also, if you have tried this or you're excited for this, leave a comment down below. But that's about it for today. So might want to give me a thumbs up for this video. But hopefully you enjoyed this. But that's about it for today. So thanks for watching, and we will see you guys on that next video.